Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a really beautiful eyeshadow look. This is going to be a video which shows how quickly you can do a very beautiful and very seamless eyeshadow look, which would take 5 to 10 minutes tops. For this, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance palette. The colors I will be using are Twilight, Mulberry, and Smoke. This is the only brush. This is the Hourglass concealer brush. This is my go-to brush for doing anything on my eyes. The primer I'm going to use is the Fenty Beauty Primer. This is my holy grail of products. It is something that I can't live without. And one of my favorite highlighters, this is the Tom Ford Radiant Perfecting Powder in Gilt Glow. I'll start with the primer, which is the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I love this primer because it goes on clear. You can't really tell that it's on, and it makes sure that my eyeshadow lasts all day and all night. So what we'll do is we will pack the color on first. The aim is to cake on as much color as you can so that you have your lid fully covered. Once the color is packed on, I will start blending. So just in the crease. The aim is to do everything in the crease, and the eyeshadow will blend out and become soft around the edges all on its own. So see how nice that looks? Feel as though it needs a bit more color here just to make the eye look a little bit more perfect. So I'll do the bottom, this edge of the brush, and I will just swipe it across. And that's all you need to do. Now, for somebody like me who likes very easy maintenance makeup, who likes to do the bare minimum most days, this is enough for me, this look. And I'm going to add the color Mulberry here using the exact same brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go into the crease only. I'm not going to do anything else other than go into the crease and blend it out. The key to any great eyeshadow look is the blending. That's all it is. That's what makes eyeshadow go from looking average to professionally done. And the more you blend it, the nicer it'll look. So have a look. See how nice and complete that all looks? And if I'm feeling especially adventurous, I'm going to add some glitter. And if I was doing this by myself without a camera, this would take me about 5 minutes to do. And now I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I wouldn't normally do this with this kind of look because it's dark around the edges, but because for the sake of showing you, I will show you that if I had like a lighter color on, I would basically just really roughly, and I mean really, really roughly, just do a line on the edge here, and I've already done this eye. And then I will get my trusty brush, and I will once again smudge it out. And that will just add a little bit of depth to your eyeshadow without being too obvious. And I will line my waterline as well. And I'm going to do highlighter as well. And I'll use just my pinky because you don't need a brush for everything. And then I'll do my eyebrows as well because a look's not complete without brows. That's my brows done. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara, the Huda. So I will clean up just a little bit under the eye. And this is the look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you found it informative, and thank you for watching.